Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Today we're going to be reviewing the Megha Health Insurance Scheme in convergence with the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana.
Ka Public Accounts Committee jong ka yeng dorbar thawan ke jala ha ka khanyo trek unai wing ar jarapsan kala Leit Tohkit ha ki sauteli ki hospital ki badan hapon nong ba Shillong ha ka bai dei bat ka Jingpyntreikam ya ka Megha Health Insurance Scheme. Eka kanhon bala lam khmat da ka chairperson ka kong miani di shira ringkat ka jingsan ran lang jong ki khot kila Leit rung ha civil hospital Shillong ha Ganesh Das hospital ha Nigrems hospital bat ha supercare hospital ban yakran bat ki bor penyan bat ki nongpet yaka Mhis khanang ban songthu hadu kanno la Jingpyntreikam pura yakni ka scheme ka PAC kan sa IT yaka kaipot sya katanat badai pet Halor ka jinglam bat ki jingsem khanang ban penklan yaka jingpenrung kerteng na ka benta ka Mhis khanang bakan du penmento yaki pat ba nongsong snong ka jala Meghalaya.
Hello, how many people you got today?
In 18 departments. 18 departments we were just recently certified.
Long time ago you came.
Yes.
60-70% of our patients come under insurance schemes, majority of them being Mhis and all. So most of the common social materials we
You will get the experience. That MRT should be shifted outside.
we will give them network. We will give them healthcare network.
It comes to enrolling, because we have for giving us the opportunity to serve the people of.
The idea of visiting private hospital is the idea of the site visit today was to get detailed information about the challenges and the problems being faced within the hospitals while implementing the scheme. Now, on paper, it looks picture perfect, but when you go on the ground, there are a lot of challenges that the hospitals and the managements are facing. Our aim is to give smooth services for the people of Meghalaya, for the patient parties, so that they can claim the insurance with little to minimal hassles involved. Therefore, we have gone to all these different hospitals, be it government hospital or Nigrems being a central government hospital and a private hospital, to understand the different kind of challenges faced by different types of hospitals. So we have been told of different types of challenges that different hospitals are facing right now while implementing the Mhis scheme. So we have discussed at length. We have noted quite a number of points. So from the PAC, we will be recommending few points so that the department can implement few of our recommendations for smoother implementation of Mhis.